Yo, 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 yo. How we doing today, folks? Welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. Salute. Rushki, welcome in. Alex streaming? This must be hallucination. Yeah, you're probably right. Harry, welcome in. Nice to see ya. Amigo, Alo, welcome. Jack, hello. I'm having some trouble with clients that are supplying new info and features all the time. Seems a lot of that's going around. What's up, Musley? Welcome. Hello, hello. Do you have long hair? Sort of. It's getting there. It's getting there. The green lanyard, behold, for I am a lanyard. Welcome. Glad to know you're a lanyard. Welcome in, my friend. Thanks for being here. You think yours is longer? Yeah, I'm trying to grow mine out again. I used to have, at one point I had my hair 16 inches long. It was really long. Good day so far. I got my first callback from a job. Just completed their online assessment, and so hopefully land a job soon-ish. Woo! Yo, congrats, Harry. That's darn exciting. That's for sure. It's necessary information. I would agree. That's why I appreciate you, letting me know. Folks, happy Friday. Thanks for being here. I hope we all have had a great week so far and are ready for a fantastic weekend. Whew. I'm definitely ready for a weekend. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good time. And I'm glad I felt good to wake up this morning. That's also another big, awesome plus. Folks, we are on day 163 of Grüvee development. Excited to be here. I think we are like literally on the tail end of our Apple Auth stuff. We have a couple more things to handle. Not really big things though. Like the bulk of it is ready to go. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm excited to finally get this one feature done. I feel like this feature has been holding us back for a while now. But we'll see how it goes. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that today. Folks, thanks for being here on time. Should we go ahead and just get started with the stand-up? Actually, let's do this in reverse order today. Let's do this another way around. Today, let's first talk about the Pixel Pride Crew charity goal that we're trying to hit by the end of June. So folks, if you didn't know, June is Pride Month, and June is a time also on Twitch that Twitch puts together a $200,000 goal for a community called the Trevor Project. You can check out more information about it here, but we're trying to reach a goal this month. We're trying to reach $500 by the end of June. And if you head over here, you can actually see we're already at $335. $335. We're darn close. We have some really cool rewards. One, if you donate at least $1, you get a cool, awesome role, Pixel Pride Crew role in our Discord. Show off that you're a supporter. We also have, if we hit $500, we're gonna be doing a karaoke stream with another streamer here on Twitch, Ryan Trupo. If you haven't seen him, we rated him once before. It's gonna be a good time. And then finally, you can also donate towards what you think is better, Flutter React Native, the endless debate here on this channel. So donate to do a good cause, have some fun with it, and let's get to that $500 goal. We're really close. I'm excited to see how we can get there. But just want to throw it out there before we get started with our stand-up today. Again, just !pride is the command to get that done. So let's head to the stand-up. There is no debate, only Flutter. And it begins. Yes, it does. Dr. Ray, Tesla? Wait, what? Folks, welcome to our stand-up. If you've never been to our stand-up before, welcome in. This is our stand-up room. Usually I do take an elevator to get to our stand-up room, but unfortunately the elevator is broken for the next week. So once we get the elevator back up and running, we'll go ahead and be taking the elevator back up to the stand-up room. But this is a time for us to talk about what we did yesterday, what we plan on doing today, and if we are currently blocked by anything. Woo. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and kick us off. Please let me know in chat what you've been working on, what you plan on working on today, and if you're blocked by anything, software related, life related, anything related. No Tesla thing. Oh, no. Yeah, yesterday I actually could not wake up, so I actually didn't stream yesterday. Yep. Tesla Thursdays was a bust yesterday because I unfortunately couldn't wake up. But today we're here. We're doing some Grüvee stuff. Yeah, we'll pick up Tesla stuff next week. What do you do with the elevator? Well, I don't want to talk about it. We'll talk about it next time. All right, so what do we do? Actually, so what do we do on Wednesday? On Wednesday, we added back our proper.p8 key into our Golang project to create Apple Dev Token. So we need an Apple Dev Token in order to actually set up. We need an Apple Dev Token in order to actually authenticate an Apple Music user. And I accidentally deleted that key token that is generated by Apple, and so I had to go grab it, and we were actually able to add it back into the project, which was very, very good. Very happy about that. And then we changed the logic to get our Apple Music token and store in the DB. So we are now currently signing in with Apple, authenticating with your Apple ID account. When you create a playlist, we pop a prompt that says, hey, by the way, would you want to authenticate with Apple Music so we can create playlists on your behalf? Then we get that code, we store it in your Firebase user document, and boom, now we have access to do things on your behalf, which is freaking chic. Yeah. No one was there to wake you up inside? No, unfortunately not. My alarm didn't do it for me. Demon, what's up? I know. This is our stand-up room. Rowler Rose, hello. What is going on here? This is our stand-up room, Rowler. It's time for us to talk about what we did yesterday, what we plan on doing today, and if we are currently blocked by anything. These are all the Pixlogic Dev team members right here. This is all of us. Yeah. We need to get a new stand-up room is really what's been going on here because our team has been growing. Luckily, but also this is scary. A lot of virus can be passed around here. I'll call you next time. Heck yeah, Jack. I'm gonna need that. Yeah, pretzel rocks. Yeah, Demon. Better be safe than sorry, you know? It's kind of crowded. You know, Rose, I would agree with you. I would agree. Don't worry, we are working on getting a new stand-up room. It's gonna be here hopefully in the next couple weeks. We'll see. You may not like that time. Oh man. So folks, what are we going to do today then? Bringing us to what our plan is for today. So today we're going to finish stylizing our Golang template for getting our Apple Music token. Essentially we have this template that just looks like straight doo-doo. We need to add some CSS to it to get it to a nice place. And then we're going to do some final cleanup on our user flow for signing in for Apple Music. And then finally, we're going to create a playlist on behalf of an Apple Music user. That's the goal. Create a playlist. So Monster Cat equals good music plus no DCMA. Oh, nice. Okay. I'll have to check it out. Thanks, Demon. You could use stand apart room for sure. Panzer Boy. Hello. Welcome. This looks like... Thank you. See, those skills are sharp blast. Hey, don't bring that up, Rushki. Don't bring it up. I want to talk about it. Folks, thanks for being here and stand up. Let's go ahead and head over to our work today. Woo-wee. Welcome. And in case you forgot what we're working on, all you gotta do is type in ! today to see what our plan is for today. Did you hear Drake gave Nick Merckx rights to music? That's crazy. I actually did not. That is actually insane. Wow. Good for him, man. Good for him. Much better. Thanks, Panzer. What a good stand-up meeting. Onich, welcome. Thank you. Glad to have you. The time for talking is over. It's time to press buttons while still talking. Beautiful, Lanyard. Yes. Sandria, welcome in. I thought I was tripping. I love that. That's hilarious. You're not tripping. This is real life. You're not in a simulation. Well, maybe you are. I don't know. Who knows these days? Panzer Boy, thanks for the follow. Woo. Oh, nice, Demon. Yeah, that's pretty good. I have a plan. I do have a plan that actually includes not playing music on stream, but giving us an area where we can all listen to music at the same time together, just in like a different platform while I stream. And I'm gonna change this music up because I'm not really feeling this right now. It's just too much. Too much. Roars, I'm here. My God, welcome. It's so nice to see you. How do we know? We don't know. We don't know, Sant. We don't know. 5:40 a.m. That is correct. Nice, Rose. Just use Discord? Nah, that's not as fun. That is a good idea, though. Hey, Eternal Dev, welcome. Good morning. Happy Friday. All right, folks, let's get started. Let's go ahead. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and start with a quick little demo, huh? So I'm going to go through the Apple Music demo real quick. And that's going to be just like this. It's going to be just like this. We have everything set up. Cool. So I go to add a playlist. I'm going to say some cool playlist. Rally Rose, thanks for the follow, by the way. So when we create this thing, assuming that we haven't been given this prompt anymore, it's going to say, hey, let Grüvee manage your playlist by connecting your Apple Music account. And we're going to say, sure, let's go. Press let's go. It's going to take us out to this beautiful green screen. Beautiful green screen. This is what we need to finish here. And we're going to press sign in with Apple Music. We press sign in with Apple Music. Since we've already gone through the authentication process, it's not going to take us through it again. I guess there's some sort of browser cache that holds onto this thing. And then we press open. When we press open, we actually deep link back into our app. And if we go over to Firebase, you will soon see. You shall soon see that our user here has our token. So we go to database. We go to our user, which is this friend here. It's a social platform. I forget. Social platform. And here it is, our API token stuff. That's what we just added into our DB. So now this token is used to make requests on behalf of this Apple Music user. And that's where we left off last time. So again, like we were saying, the first thing we're going to work on is this absolutely stunning page right here. Need that modern energy. Yeah, Leonard. Yeah, Demon, I think having music on stream is nice, but like, let's do some stuff. Let's do some stuff off stream. Hey, don't break the rule. What's up? What are you building? What are you building, cutie? Oh, thank you. Thanks. That's me, I guess. Feel free to take a look at our project here. It's called Grüvee. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Listen together now. That Twitch DMCA I saw. Dave Hal Online, welcome. After I post my angry message about my client, they added another issue to change the entire flow of the app. Don't you have like a period words where it's like, hey, by the way, this is the last date where you can like submit changes, else I can't do it, or it's gonna cost more or be longer. Don't change the page, thank you. I thought it was good too. Look at this. Yeah. Essentially, this is what we want it to look like. Alec equals cutie or edgy goth boy. Which one is it? No, it's bearded goth boy. Come on now. Hey, you're gonna see bearded goth boy music popping up everywhere. Just wait. Just you wait. This is what I want it to look like. This is our Grüvee logo. It's just these 2 dots, and then we're gonna add this button. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add these bad boys in right now. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do here. I guess first we can just do a background of whatever this thing is, right? Bearded goth cutie. Thank you. Bearded goth cutie. That is right. Exactly what's gonna happen. Why are these layers so large? All right. So let's go ahead and grab the color, the background color for this. Thank you. All right, and what we can do is we can actually just access our local host. Or actually, I guess we're going to want to do it here. We might as well. We should do it on mobile, since that's what we're building it for. I have to get some royalty from the album name. Hey, we never signed anything, all right, Reshki? It's Outscope Computers. They have to pay me. I will not do it. They signed off on the original design. This is basically a brand new app. Yeah, that actually is kind of annoying. I feel like they should probably get that stuff together, right? But I mean, I don't know. At the same time, it's like, it sucks, but if they're going to pay you for it, I mean, what else are you going to do? Like, I mean, I guess that's good, right? Oh. CSS doesn't use strings for that stuff, right? You just put in the hex value and you should be good to go. Yeah, there we go. I keep forgetting that. Cool. So we got that. Then we have a hello. We don't really need this anymore. We can do our button. We can call this auth button. Yay! Look, Rushki, look how good my CSS is now. I'm waiting for Alex to become a pro streamer and give me a salary. Yo, I'm waiting for that too. We'll rise together. Not gonna happen. Wow. Stocks were good the other day, a couple days ago. They were like freaking awesome. Tesla reached over, they're over 1,000 a share a couple days ago. It's actually insane. Bearded CSS boy. Ooh, baby. Always going to be bearded. Okay, so this thing, we got to put this class here. So button class. Call this auth button. Pretty much, we're just going to do a, what is it, background color of black. Oh, man. The thing is, I don't know about adding assets here, right? It would be really interesting to actually... Maybe we just don't do that. We just do sign in with Apple Music. Yeah. And I changed my buttons, or we changed the buttons the other day. No, not in here. For our... the style of our buttons for the app itself, right? How do those things look? Ivan Munoz, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Stonks are 5 heads sometimes, 100%. Mr. Roars removed his beard the other day. I no longer have a Mr. Roars. Rip. Oh man, hey, I get it. I probably would be the same way. Let's see. We can do a bold. I think it's like 700 or something, right? Is it a bold? Or font weight? Not bold, font weight. It's like 700. Font size 16. Oh, and I gotta use semicolons. We gotta use semicolons. Yeah. That's hilarious. Whereas it's like when when there's a baby and the father like shaves their beard and the baby sees the father and it's like, holy crap, who is this person? Harry, that is like incredible. What kind of app is it? Yeah, Roller. So this is a social collaborative playlist app for iOS and Android. Essentially, create a playlist with your friends. Create playlists with your friends no matter what streaming service provider you're on. You can add songs to it. You can comment on those songs and get notifications about those, about when people add that stuff. And we're adding a bunch of other more social aspects to it, but this is the MVP that's going to be coming down the line. Font weight bold? Oh, really? Okay, cool. Thank you. Stocks are looking good. Let's go. I literally said that because I almost cried like a scared child. Oh my God. Yeah, Roller, and feel free to check out the GitHub repos here. This is open source as well, so anyone's open to contributing. I'm almost done with the README for getting set up locally and stuff, so feel free to check out those repos. Mantas, welcome. Welcome. Okay, and then we want font color, right? That's also the one. We just want to do a white, and then probably like height of 44 pixel, and then we'll just do like a width of 75%. And then the thing is, this container, yeah, we're just aligning all the items. And we're probably going to want to do a flex direction of column, right? Yeah, because we want it to be in a column. All right, let's see. Let's see how well I did. Why? What? Oh, is it because I'm zoomed in? Oh, yeah. What is this thing? I think I need to put, what's the header tag for mobile? Isn't there something you have to do? Oh, there's a meme going around. Twitch is now every YouTube video from the 2000s. Yeah, I know, dude. I saw that. Oh, thanks, Musley. Color. You have to get good. Oh, man. Isn't there like a header you have to do for scaling? It's dank AF? Ooh. I'm always down to take a look at a little VS Code. Oh, GitHub theme. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to save this over here. Thanks, friend. Hey, it's not all right. It's a little bad. It definitely could be better. Definitely could be better. Oh no, I have to figure out what that thing is called. I don't remember. Well, why is there a border around this thing too? All right, I guess let's first get this header thing. HTML, mobile, viewport, that's what it is. The meta tag, this, right? Does this go in the header? This goes in the header, right? I think so. All right. Let's try that again. This is their dark theme I use? Oh, cool. Let me take a little look-see. Yeah, Mantis, that's exactly what I mean. Ironic that GitHub doesn't have a built-in dark theme. I know. I was just thinking the same thing, actually. Boop. Oh, nice. Okay. This is pretty slick. Oh, this one you have to pay for? Oh, that's no fun. It does look really nice, though. I use this one. Everyone should just share their dark themes they use in VS Code. Oh, synthwave. Yeah, so the one thing I don't like about... I'm not a huge fan of the colors and then the glow. I think you can turn the glow off, right? Okay, so our viewport is definitely there. How come my text isn't... The text color isn't showing up here? Are we sure it's color? These are cool. I'm going to actually open these on my other computer so I can save them. Maybe it's time to switch the theme. Yeah, Panzer Boy, height should definitely be bigger. Oh, you're right. Maybe it's squishing the text down. Maybe that's what it is. Good call. Oh, I like hyper dark. That's a cool one too. Awesome. Yeah, thanks for sharing, friends. Always down to take a look at some new dark themes. Fried tofu. Ooh, great name. Welcome in. You gotta install a huge file. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Yeah, well, I probably won't try it right now, but yeah, definitely. I like that GitHub one. I think the GitHub one is the one I'm leaning towards. Yeah, and that one's a really cool one. The hyper for sure. It's like, it might be a little too dark though. Did this thing... Wonder if it's caching it. Okay, no. Let's just do like a 50% height of the viewport. And we'll redo this. Oh!
Every 2 months, not bad. TK's man for programming along with me and for the great entertainment. Keep on like this. Love you, and as always, salut Pixelo5 salute.
Hey! Ildessa, dude.
Pixelo5 salute. Pixelo5 salute.
Can we get some salutes for Ildessa in the chat for coming on for another month here? 2 months. Tier 1. Ildessa, thank you for the kind words, my friend. Thanks for being here. Salute y saludes, of course. Woo-wee. I appreciate it. I'm glad you're enjoying. Glad to have you here as part of the community. Thanks for being here. No, that's epic. Yes, it is epic. Thank you. Yeah, freaking awesome. Water, my man, Montes. Cheers to you, dude. Thank you. Alpha, nice to see you. Welcome. Heck yeah. Come on, CSS, man. Can we get this thing going or what? Can we do CSS on this thing? I don't think this is working. I think there's something wrong with my, It looks so bad. What is going on here? I guess I should probably inspect it. See my CSS? Coffee and coffee? Aye, aye, Captain. Give me 1 segundo. I don't think our thing's updating here. Hello? Weird. Okay. Oh, oh my God. I put a comma. That's why it's not working. God damn it. All right. Freaking commas, man. Freaking commas, man. Thanks for the coffee, Demon. Good news for any current Twitch affiliate you get. Yeah, dude, I saw it yesterday. I got super stoked. Comma chameleon in our midst. Freaking commas, man. It's because there. Look at that. Huh? There she blows. There she blows. Let's try it again. 44. I think we got to do like a comma chameleon. I like that. That was a good one. Border none. Right? That's a thing in CSS. I just don't know this vanilla CSS anymore. I never use it. Yeah, can we get a big pog for that win? For sure. Poggers all around, man. There. Oh, baby, there it is. Yeah. Let's go ahead and let's give this some border radius, eh? Some border radius theory. I guess this actually technically would go first. Some border radius. Border none. Border radius. I don't know. Like a good 5 pixel. Like a good 5 pixel. I know why they did that. It's too much work and money to approve every email, as there's a lot of Twitch affiliates now. Yeah. I'm sure they blew up in Twitch affiliates like over the past couple months. Nice. We got that nice border radius. What did I do over here for this radius? 5.54. That'll do. Yeah, that's cool. I think it's a good idea. Okay, and my button now, it should not be capitalized. It should say, it should be sign. Yeah, I just had sign in with like that. So we just lowercase a couple words there. And now we just need to add the 2 circles. So wonder what we can do here. I wonder if we could just add 2 divs and do that. Vias, thanks for the follow. Welcome in. Yeah, I was gonna say, let's just do them in CSS, right? Like, why else? Why would we do that? Oh man, let's see if I can do this. I can do this, right? Come on, guys. Let's have faith. Let's have some faith. Maybe? I don't know. All right, this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna test out my master of CSS skills right now, and see how good I am with Flex. And we're gonna give it a first try. We're gonna give this a first try attempt. So let's go ahead. Let's throw up a poll right now. Do you think this is gonna work first try? CSS. Will Alex CSS work first try? We got a yeah, nah, or maybe. Folks, 2 minutes. Cast your vote now. You should see the poll created. Go ahead and throw your vote in. Do you think it's gonna work or what? We got this. Border radius, do a full 360. Yes, and again, this is what we're going to be building in CSS. These two dots to align on top of this button like that. I have faith in you. Thank you, Panzer Boy. Thank you. I believe in you, but I'm going to click no. All right. Let's do this. So I will not refresh the page until we are done with this thing. I'm very scared. But I think I can do this. I think I can do this. Whew. All right. So first what we're going to do to make these dots, we're going to create a container div, right? So this is going to be logo container, right? And in logo container, we probably need to indent those out. So we have container, and then we have logo container. Logo container is also going to have a flex direction, or is it going to be display flex? And then, oh man, the yayas and nanas are pretty much tied right now, huh? Okay. We have a display flex. On the web, display flex goes in a row, right? So we don't have to worry about doing a direction of row. And so I think in this thing, what we're going to want to do is, if we want display in a row, we're going to have probably, all right, so we got 7 nanas, 4 yayas, and 1 maybe. Okay. Well, I'm about to prove all of you wrong right now, right here. I'm a CSS master. It's really not that bad, Rushki. I kind of like it. I like it. It looks good. Can't you just use and bool Unicode? Nah, I don't think so. Not that I know of, at least. Okay, so anyways, we have our logo container. Our logo container is going to have this thing. We're going to have display flex, doing that thing. And then we're going to want, what is it? Align items. Where's my fancy CSS stuff? CSS, where are you? Yes. Oh, nice. Wow, that's actually pretty legit. Can you change the color on those though? No, right? Man, that actually would be a really good idea. Though I'm not sure. You can't prove all of us wrong if 4 people voted yeah. Yo, you're right. You're right. Now let's do it. We're going to do it in CSS. We're going to do it all in CSS right now. Okay, so I was going to do justify content. And I was going to try space between. So I want to do justify content, and we're going to do space between. Gotta watch out for those commas. My trip falls here. And then inside of this, we're also going to create 2 divs. I am a little dyslexic. Not center. Yeah, no. So what we have currently right now is our container is centering everything in the middle, right? And so if our container is centering everything in the middle, we're going to make another logo container that's going to sit there. So we'll have them stacked in the row from the parent container, and then the logo container will have justify content space around. And if we have a flex direction that automatically goes to row, then the children inside of the logo container should have space around it. You fool. Hey, no, thank you, Panzer Boy. I appreciate you. We got this. We just call it Logo Ball. Thoughts on the naming? Logo Ball? I like it. I'm a fan. Logo Ball. Yes. So we have, can we do a self-closing div? Is that a thing? I don't know. Just to be safe, I'm not going to do it. Div class. Yeah, I feel like it's probably going to provide some weirdness in other, I don't know, who knows. Yeah. Sounds fun to say logo ball. Yeah, so essentially it's just going to be these two divs. I don't know if technically we can use a span here or something. I'm going to stick with div. That's what I know. And so our logo ball is going to have a background color of this. And then we have to give it a width. So the width I had on this thing was 36. So width, 36 pixels, height, 36 pixels, and then corner, not corner, border, right? Border radius? Border radius, here we go. Border radius is going to be half of 36, which is 18. Okay, looking good. What's up, Ionut? Span is greater than div -1. Wait, what? Oh, border radius 50%. Oh, yeah. That's actually a really good point. Nice. Good call. Oh, you did it there, Montes. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not looking at it yet. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it all in one go. I'm trying to do it without getting help. You know, because CSS. We got this. See Souza 0804. Thanks for the follow. Welcome. Doing this all in one go. Let's see how it looks after my work here. Okay, cool. Just want to change this around a little bit. Okay. So I think that actually should just be it. The only difference is we want, we're going to want this thing. I think I want it a little closer, huh? Oh no. Yeah. How far away is this? Like 20? So we got to put a padding bottom of 20 on this, on the logo container. 20 pixel. Yeah. I love this song. That's a good song. Yeah, just did some padding there. No, so that's what we're using space between for. Space between should give us our padding. The only problem is we have to give the container a width then if we want to do that space between properly. So let's just give it a width of like 85 pixel. Okay, so I think we should be good. Yeah, no worries. So let's take one more look at this before we submit it and see what happens. Ship it. Ship it. So we have our container. That guy Mello, thanks for the follow, my friend. Welcome in. And we have our logo container, which is going to be this, and then we have our button, which is under that. We have two logo balls. So logo container is going to have display flex, which will do column or do row. Justify content will be space between, so we add the spacing in between there. And then padding bottom will do 20. And so all of our children will have a space between, and then we'll have a width of 85. We just set that at 85 right now. I mean, technically we could probably do like a, I don't know. We could do like a percentage, but I think we're going to probably want to keep it at that. And then we have logo ball, which has our background color. Background color. We have a width of 3636, border radius of 50% of our div. All right, I feel good. I think we're going to do it. You guys ready? Civicin, hey, we're using React Native right now. Fluttering style is easier. This is just CSS right now. All right. You guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? Here we go. Refresh right now. I don't know if I want to do it. I'm scared. I think it's going to work though. Nanas, get out of here. I told you. Woo! Easy. I'm a CSS master. Wow, nice balls, Alec. Thank you. Woo! Hey, thank you for everyone who believed in me. Appreciate you. Amazing. Amazing. Now compared to your sketch doc, I think it's a little off. I love the comments of, wow, you did something right. Wow, I'm so surprised you actually did it. Thank you for believing. Thank you for believing. We're like, you know, kind of close. It's not like pixel for pixel. We're also kind of scaled incorrectly here. If I like had to do this, let's see if that works. I don't know if we'll be able to get it like super, probably pretty close like that, maybe. Oh, it's probably because of the screen size though, right? Hey, that's pretty spot on. That's pretty close. I think we did a good job. Nice work, team. They do look a little smaller. I feel like I do want to make it a little larger. And maybe do like a 25 bottom padding. And we'll go from there. Woo! Let's go. First try, baby. First try. So let's do a padding bottom 25. And let's do like a, I don't know, let's do 40. Making my balls bigger. You got it. The balls are, they're getting larger. Making them bigger. Here we go. Oh, just, I don't know why. Just like how it grew. We got to space it out a little bit. Maybe 38. Yeah, you guys are right. I think it's too big. We'll have to make the width probably like 90. No, way too spaced out. No, they should be 85. Okay, that's against you. That's obscene. No. Guys, it's the logo. It's Grüvee logo. What do you mean? And I think 20 was actually pretty good. We're gonna do 20. I also think that the button width, like this button's too long. I think we can bring it down to like a 70% width. Times 2.5. Why so, Rose? Yeah, I think that's actually pretty perfect. Thoughts? No worry, Pants Boy. Thanks for hanging out, friend. Thanks for the lurk. Yeah, pretty good, right? I think that's good. I'm happy with it. All right, should we now try it in the app? Let's see if we can clear our browser cache real quick so we can actually go through the proper flow here. Oh, variables and consistency. Yeah, that probably would make sense. But since this is just a template, like a Golang template we're serving, like there's, I don't know. This is literally nothing. It looks like mosquito eyes with a big wide mouth. Oh, that's a really interesting look at it. Nice. So we're just going to clear our browser data real quick. Yeah, no, that's cool. I'm interested. Like, so this is what the logo looks like currently. Just 2 dots. It's supposed to be the umlaut on top of the U. Yeah, thought it was pretty nice. This always reminds me of like a little robot that just has 2 eyes. And I think that's kind of the aesthetic I like. The little robot. Yeah. Cool. Let's make sure that we are up to date with our latest template here. We're going to go ahead. We'll go through the flow. See how it looks all together. Awesome. So we're going to go. I'm going to delete this real quick. Let's go over here. We're going to say the logo list. Go here. We'll press add. Let's go. Okay. Sign in with Apple Music. Oh, I guess it's still cached. Oh, I guess the data's still there. That's weird. We might have to restart the device. But anyways, it would go like this. There would be a little actual UI that pops up from the bottom that is integrated with iOS devices, which is really cool. Press open. There we go. The logo list is right there. I'm happy with it. I think it looks great. Inverse Twitch bot. Oh, I see. Yeah. Heck yeah. There we go, friends. Let's commit this, huh? Yep. We have auth button, container, logo ball, logo container, and all this stuff looks pretty good. Adding style to Apple Music auth template. Heck yeah. So this is cool. So again, like the whole flow of this is actually really, really awesome. What we ended up doing. So what we ended up doing to get around the Apple Music kit stuff, for anyone who's new, pretty much what happened here was we want to authenticate with Apple Music. Apple Music doesn't have any sort of indicator or like ID that we can link to our Firebase account. So we couldn't just have someone authenticate with Apple Music. We actually needed them to first authenticate with their Apple accounts, their Apple ID. So we have them authenticate with their Apple ID, and then we place this authentication flow for Apple Music on a place where it made sense, right? So, hey, you want to create a playlist with Grüvee, and you want us to manage it for you. Cool, let's go ahead and authenticate you. And Apple has this thing called musickit.js, which is essentially the entire Apple Music like API kit that we can use. They have it for JavaScript and they have it natively for iOS. The problem is, if we wanted to use the native iOS one, we would have to create native modules to connect from React Native to the actual iOS project itself, which takes a lot of time, and there's a lot of stuff behind that right now. And then you're probably like, well, why couldn't you just bring the JavaScript library into the project as well? Well, just bringing that in, we would still have to wrap it in a React native way as well, right? Based on what's being used. So the best way to do it was to just pop out to a server-side rendered template that has the musickit.js embedded in it, and then we do our auth in there and then deep link back into the app, and you're good to go. That's it. And that's what we did. Yeah, just a little TLDR on the process there. Cool, and we have our token, so we're good to go still. So let's go ahead and mark this off as complete right here. And pretty much the next thing we had to do was do some cleanup on the flow. So there's a couple things that I wanted to change here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete all the documents here. So it's like we're going to sign in with a brand new user. And we also need to add in our check back. So delete account. Yep. So I'm just removing all that information there. We're going to go ahead and sign out. And then some code stuff we need to change. I'm actually going to remove this. And then in our React Native app, what we're going to do now is we're actually going to utilize this value. So this thing right here is basically saying, hey, did we already present the Apple Music auth prompt? If we did, don't show it again, else we need to present it, right? Because we don't want to present it every time someone creates a playlist, just if they haven't seen it before. And so we're using some local storage to just set a flag that says we did or we didn't do it. Wait, async get item, present Apple off. Okay. Sweet. Now what is this? Oh, yep, we can get rid of that. And it was present. Wait, what? Oh, present Apple off prompt. Here we go. Yeah. So Apple Music, like Grüvee Manager plays by connecting your Apple Music account. Okay, and then yeah. So no matter what happens here, right? No matter what scenario we go down, we know that we still presented the prompt. And if we did, we change this flag to be true. We should be good to go there. There's another section here that doesn't have to do with this, but has to do more so with the choose your username section. So add username. I wanted to actually change the header of this because it's like a light color, and I didn't want that. Yeah, I want to actually pretty much just copy this. So signed in navigator, that's fine. Auth navigator. Yeah, right here. So we have this stack screen. This is the add username, and you'll see it in a bit. Essentially, you just want to add this header style to apply with that. And then add username. So the name of this thing, we had add username. We're going to call this choose username. That's going to be the name of that. So let's go ahead. And I'm also, just so we can go through that actual auth process and you can see it, I'm going to go ahead and actually erase all content and settings. Oh, actually, I don't know if I necessarily want to do that, because I have to log in with my Apple ID again. Which I guess isn't a huge deal, but it's just kind of annoying. Let's see if we run into any issues here. Oh, and what else I want to do after this is we're going to test it on Android to make sure that the everything looks okay. We won't have the Apple Music prompt there, but we'll still be able to test it on Android for sure. And let me just clear the browser history one more time and like the data and stuff. See if there's anything else here. Website data. Okay, nothing. All right, so we should be good. Cool. So we're gonna first run our Golang script. There we go. So we're gonna have that ready to go. Then we're gonna do an npm start on our bundler, and from there, we're going to go ahead and run npm run iOS start. This is going to build our iOS app. The full flow. Oh, baby. Here we go. It's go time. I'm excited. And then, so after this as well, in order for us to create things via Apple, we actually have to create a whole new Golang function on Firebase. Or I don't know about create it, but go through a different setup for that thing. So you'll see here that welcome to Grüvee Alpha. Do we need to debug JS remotely? We do. Let's make sure that we don't run into any issues here. But yeah, thanks for taking part in Grüvee Alpha for iOS. It's pretty simple. To get started, select one of the providers below. This will give you all the fanciness Grüvee has to offer. Please reach out on the Discord for any feedback and or questions. So we're gonna go sign in with Apple. So this UI is given to us for free through Apple APIs, which is great. So let's continue here. I'm gonna choose to share my email. Continue with password. Going to secret that up real quick. All right. Come back over here. Press continue. This is gonna go ahead and, oh, it didn't work. Yeah, so right here, this should have been, this should have changed color. I don't know why it didn't. So before we continue, I want to make sure that we get that set up there. Why didn't that happen? Screen. Oh, because I did have screen options. I think I just need to set it as an options. Yeah. Oh, I have it right here. Yeah, so you see in our Stack Navigator on this screen, we don't show a header. And on this screen, we do show a header. I think we should still be able to get like header style and stuff. I hope. That I do hope so. Cool. Yeah, let's actually go back and refresh that. Continue here. So the cool thing is that we don't actually create this thing until we choose a username, which is good. Yeah, there we go. Looks 10 times better, right? And one thing I did notice here is that our Let's Grüvee button here, it's actually enabled, which it should not be. So we should check that. Why is that enabled? Let's take a look at that real quick. Hey, Fakan, how long have you been developing? So I've been developing professionally for 3 years, and I've been developing in a whole for 5 years. So username available must be true at this point. If that's why this is here, can I get access to my Redux state? Isn't there a Redux thing in here? Where is the Redux viewer? Oh, I'm so dumb. It's right here. So we actually want to look at the props real quick in our component. Wonder. Provider, connected app. Oh, I think I can search for the component name. So we can just do add username. Yeah, here we go. So we can actually look at the state here. Wait, what? Oh, okay, here, maybe. The add username component, we should have... Oh, it's a property on here. It's actually not part of the state. I forgot. Yeah, that's true. I don't know if I can get access to that through here. Where's the button though? Username available is true. Yeah, username available is true here. Okay, must be something with my logic then. So let's go to our valid username. This is the... Oh, it's interesting that valid username is true, but nothing shows up here. And that's because username.length and is not typing, return username available. I see. So as long as we have a, like, it's some text in our username and we're not typing, then we'll show one of these messages, right? Else we would just return nothing. But off the bat, the username available should be false. So this must be username available is true, right? And then we inverse it so it's false. Oh, and we have that null state thing, yeah. And this is happening on debounce. So this, it's weird that this hook, I guess, is getting fired. And then is username available to lowercase? Is this actually making our call? We should check that out. Let's see. Oh, so console.log is available. Is available. And then we'll do result, whatever that thing comes back as. And let's go ahead and do a refresh. Yeah, and then we can at least see what this thing logs out. So we'll go through this one more time. Okay, so it does get called. It looks like it's getting called on first render. Which I don't really know why. Oh, because maybe username is changing somehow? So maybe, I mean, at the very least, we could just do a quick check that says if username is an empty string, like just don't do anything, right? So we can say if username dot length. I don't know why this hook gets called. I wonder if because the use state sets it at the beginning. For username available. Yeah, no, I think we can just set it like this. I don't think we want to set it as null. Yeah, because this is our actual content, like the actual string that's going to show up in our text field. I guess null could technically work there, but I think as long as our username has a length, then we can search for it. If it doesn't have a length, then like why do we care, you know? And that could probably help for the first call. So let's go ahead and see if that does do the trick. Yeah, let's see. Awesome. Yeah, so it looks like it's now disabled. So now if I do your boy Alec, That's there. And then if I do this, oh, interesting. So I wonder, I think if we are typing, the button should be disabled, right? And then this, oh, but we have this here. If the string is empty, yeah, so there seems to be a couple states here. So I wonder if we can do this. Hey, Isaac, welcome. So the button will be disabled if the username is not available, if we are typing, or we don't have the length in our username. Maybe that should do it. Only 2 days with school left. Now Wednesday and Friday. Hey, nice, Isaac. Let's go. Dynamite. Fine, he just ignored me. I know when I'm not loved. Oh no, dude, I'm so sorry. I think you came in. Oh yeah. Well, welcome, dude. Sorry, I didn't mean to ignore you. I promise. How we doing, Dynamite? How we doing? I don't know when you came in. I was too distracted. Maybe you came in during the hype of my CSS victory. When I did my CSS first try. Okay, so we logged in. So if you did ya boy Alec, there we go. Oh, I guess it's yeah, because if it's or, I see. No, it's not going to work properly. What's up, MTA's slow live server extension VS Code not refresh automatically? What is my problem? What should my problem be? Oh, I don't know, man. I actually haven't used live share at all. I would try restarting VS Code. Not sure I'll be able to continue my day, to be honest. Oh no. So sad. You know, you're special, Dynamite. You know you're special. Hey, Trite, which mobile JS framework do you use? I'm using React Native right now. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out the best way. I don't know why. I don't know why this thing here. So is typing is true. That's not true at all. It's weird. Why didn't that happen? Yes, many JavaScript files. IONut, dehydrate. Aye, Captain. Cheers. Thank you for the coffee. Woo. Hey, welcome back, Rose. You know, this is also really interesting that disabled here is true. Oh. Oh, I know what I did wrong here. So I think this was actually working. Yeah, I see what this is here. I forgot to pass in the style. Yeah. Okay, so I had this merge style thing here. And I'm now thinking that we should say, we should make another just little helpy here, like button is disabled potentially, something like that. Good, Rose, awesome. I have enough points to not put you to drink water for 2 days. Damn. All right. Savage. I like coffee. You're the one who dehydrated? My God. Maybe just pass this in here and username. Yeah, because I was only going off of username available. So now in merge get button styles, we're actually gonna pass this here. We're gonna need to do this, and we're going to say username is available. Gets or not is typing, or username dot. Oh, I guess it's more so we don't need username. I think we can probably do these two. I think we can probably do this. Maybe let's try this out. Let's see if this works. How did CSS go? It worked, Rushki. First try. We got it first try. Easy. Yeah, we're just I'm going through the flow right now, and I realize that there's a couple sections here that need to have a little bit of tweaking, so we're just tweaking that right now as we go through. This is in regards to our state button. So you'll see that now this is disabled. Your boy Alec is available. As we type, it's disabled. Awesome. So I now need to apply the same thing. Your boy Apple. Oh, your boy Apple is available? Oh, no, it's not. That's wrong. Oh, no. If it was available, this wouldn't be disabled, right? Oh, is available is true though. Really? No, I have this username right here. That's not right. All right, hold up. I think we might have to come back to this in a minute. Or I mean, I guess we can just keep doing it now, but yeah, there's some weirdness right here. So this is good here for sure. This thing, let's revert back. And then also this, I think we're running into some weird states with the way I'm handling some of this logic. This we're also going to revert back. Yeah. Okay. So the only thing we changed is we added that. I assume that's a kappa? No kappa. No kappa. It was beautiful. First try off the bat. And I'll show you in a minute. Whenever we can get to this thing. Okay. So again, this is our state here. So let's do your boy Apple. Dude, there's something wrong here. This actually isn't working now. Is this? Oh, no, this is correct. It's because it's going off display name. Is it? Wait. Do I go off display name or username? Let's do... I don't remember. Let's see if Grüvee Gal works. So if I did Grüvee Gal. Okay, Grüvee Gal has already been snagged. So now if I actually add... Oh, I know why. Yeah, okay. Your boy Apple like that. This actually needs to be lowercase because we're comparing it via lowercase now. So if we update it like that... Okay, I got scared for a minute. Your boy Apple has already been snagged. Yeah. Like that. Yep. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. And so when we get to this point, see your boy Apple should be like that. And then we get to this, right? And so what I'm doing is when we get to a point, oh, but that's because it was that state. So your boy Alec is available, but then we go all the way back. It doesn't update the state when we clear everything. So on clear, we need to set our, our username needs to be set like that. Or more so, we need to have a check for that, right? So I think that's where I think maybe our logic was working then. And so we can actually do that here. Valid username is typing, username available, and then our button here. The button will be disabled if username is not available, or is typing, or there's no length here. So let's start with that change and go from there. Sagner, hey, welcome back, my friend. That should be good to go. Oh. All right, let's go here. Okay. And so as we're typing, so let's do your boy Alec. That should come up. And then as we're typing. Okay, so the button now is disabled. I'm tapping on it. I just have to do the CSS now. So that does work. The CSS just wasn't in sync with that. Yeah, so we can do username available. Is typing. And username. We know the first 3 letters. I know. I was like, I just kept going through it like nothing. So we're going to add this now to merge get style buttons. First 3 letters. Question is, do you remember the first 3 letters? Please use Flutter. Why aren't you using Flutter? That's really what it is. Yep. So merge style. So get the buttons enabled if username is available. And typing, and we're not typing, and username dot length. I feel like this should probably be the first check, right? Or like, how would I order this? I think it should be if you're not typing, and your username has some value, and that username is available, then we'll show enabled. And so we should do the same thing over here, and then we'll pass those same props in because we have 2 different styles for text and text in our button, and so we can do this here on our text button, like that. All right, that should do the trick. But the letters were please. You're right, they were. Not that. How do you know I didn't go back and delete them? Boom. How about that? All right, so we come over here. Again, we have a disabled button, and we go, yeah, boy, Alec. As we're typing. Oh, I think I need to change the logic around for that one a bit. Yeah, but disabled, so yeah, boy, Alec. It's enabled. Yeah, boy, Apple. Still disabled. Oh, it's because I actually didn't. I added the properties and I forgot to add the logic behind it. Nice one, Alec. Nice one. Okay. So we do button text is enabled. So we're just going to do this literally the same thing here. Now that should do the trick. Hey, that's exactly it. Because I knew Rushki, you'd be like, yo, we'd be able to brute force this no problem. Easy. We know the first 3 letters. So I decided to fake you out. Easy peasy, man. All right. One more time. So let's look for ya boy Apple. This should be taken. Awesome. Ya boy. It's not taken. And then no username. There we go. Easy peasy. Awesome. Okay. Heck yeah. We did it. Looking pretty good. So let me remove this console log statement now. And we can finally continue on. So we're at this point where you choose your username, right? So I'm gonna be your boy Alec. That's me. So 1-letter usernames are allowed? Oh, yeah, I guess so. Success. I guess we should probably do a check on that, huh? Oh, I didn't add that. Oh. Resell them once Grüvee gets big. Yeah. God damn it. Nah, you're probably right. We should probably just add that right now, right? I have to probably have to do another check, a valid username. Yep. Oh, man. God, why, Rushki? Why do you got to do that? All right, hold up. Hold up. I got to write this down. I have a list of bugs that I'm keeping track of in Bear. God damn it. How annoying. When logging in an app account, we're not checking to see if the account exists. Require a person to go through. Yep, gotta do that. We allow 1-letter usernames. I need to update these in the issues on GitHub. I just haven't yet. Kappa. Let's not do this. Yep. We're gonna get back to that one. Good call out though. So that the text editor app's called Bear, B-E-A-R. Yep. All right, we're gonna use your boy Alec. So we're gonna create our username here. Let's get Grüvee. It's gonna go through the flow. It's gonna create all our stuff. Now you'll see here in our username we have your boy Alec. Right there, you'll see that we have our social platforms as well. You'll see that we don't have any API tokens or anything like that. And so that's what we're about to go get. Yeah, Panzer, no problem. So we're going to create our first playlist. First. Hassan, thanks for the follow. Welcome. First Grüvee playlist. Press add. Oh, looky there. It looks like we actually haven't done this before. Apple Music. Let Grüvee manage your playlist by connecting your connecting. This is weird. This is weird. This is a weird text. We should change this a little bit. We can do that in a minute though. But yeah, we can say, let's go. So it's going to deep link us right over here. There you go. Rushki. There you go, dude. There it is. Sign in with Apple Music. I don't know why It still keeps me authenticated. I wish I could show it to you. I don't understand. But we're going to do that. Open the thing. And there you go. So now we have our first Grüvee playlist. We also have... what is my... 001247. Oh, this is weird. I think it broke, actually. I think this broke. I don't think it worked. Because we should have had our token right here. Oh man, what happened? Wonder what happened here. Yeah, it doesn't look like it actually wrote to our DB. Unless this 7732. We don't have a 7732 here unless this was just created. Oh, this is interesting. Huh. Okay, so these, I don't know what these are. These are not the tokens that we're looking for here. So let's delete these. That's not first try. Wait, what? Guy Montagues! My dude. YA. Dude, thank you for coming in with that tier 1 for 3 months. Welcome to the Green Brain Squad, my friend. Salutes. Thanks for being here. P.S. Flannery, thanks for the follow as well. Welcome. Appreciate that resub for 3 months. Woo! Green Brain Club. I love it. All right, we're having a little bit of a problemo here. Dude, that was first try, I swear. Ask anyone. That was first try. You weren't here. You weren't here. Okay, we gotta debug this somehow. This is totally weird. Yo, more green brains. Let's go. Yeah. Love the green brains. Love me some green brains. Because you know what also is kind of weird? Oh, no, I guess that isn't weird. Refresh token should be out here. Yeah. Yeah, we should probably go and check out the call that's happening right there. Wonder if it has to do with this at all. So open Apple Auth, linking, we do the thing, we link the thing. Opening Apple Auth to use endpoint. What was that called? Opening Apple Music Auth endpoint. Oh, app.js line 139. Let's go check that thing out. I think that has what we're looking for. Current user. Oh, I see. So we do authenticate, but the problem is our current user is null. Why is that a thing? haven't we signed in? Yeah, you can see right here in the logs. So starting Apple off deep link, and then it comes back as null. Interesting. Probably an issue. Current user is. And so that's happening. Handle open URL. Yeah, so our current user, this right here, ends up being null. So we should probably log out what this thing is. And I wonder if it's only happening as soon as we do it. It wasn't he lies. It was the 79th attempt. The lies. Oh my God. Wow. Just because I forgot to say hello, Dynamite, now you're throwing me under the bus like that? All right. Damn. Thought you were my friend. God. Rude. So rude. We're going to do this. Firebase auth. Firebase auth here. And we do... We'll get whatever that thing is. Current user and object deconstructing. Sure, we can do that. Do that. All right. So this is what we're going to have to do. We're going to delete the accounts that were just created. So again, delete all this stuff. Because I want that same scenario of this is a brand new person signing in. And delete the user. And then we'll go from there. And we'll try to see what the heckle just happened. Oh, and then we can do... First Grüvee playlist, we delete that. Cool. All right, we press sign out there. Alrighty. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna delete the app, and we're gonna go from there as well. Hey, Pond Marcher. Last time we started, I thought the login was working. I'm confused again. Yeah. So essentially, there's two parts to this login, right? The first part is you log in with you log in with your Apple ID. That's step number one. The thing that's doing for us is it's linking an Apple Music account to our Firebase account. Step number two here is when you create a playlist, we prompt you with, hey, we want to go ahead and make playlists on your behalf, but in order to do that, we have to log in with your Apple Music account. Is that something you're interested in? And if they say yes, then we take you to another auth flow. That's just pressing a button and logging in with your Apple Music account. And that's it. So those are the two different styles there, Pond Marcher. Isn't it the OAuth being saved on Apple side? What's up, Stencil? The OAuth being saved on Apple side. No, I mean, yes and no. So, I mean, we're using Firebase, so technically nothing's being saved on Apple's side. Yeah. You're doing this as a hobby? Yeah, Panzer. Yeah, this is just an open source app that I want to build. The goal is to have it fully released for Android and iOS by end of this year. So we currently have an alpha out right now, which is pretty cool. That if anyone's interested in checking it out, all you got to do is head over to the Discord. Come join the crew. Hey, Draco, welcome. Do you also have a jobby job? A jobby job. Yeah, I do have a jobby job. I do. Cool. So we're just going to rebuild the iOS app, and we're going to go from there. We don't have to restart our server because we're good to go there. It is once you tell Apple that you trust Grüvee, they say that permission, so the next time you log in doesn't prompt you again. Oh, I see what you mean. Are you talking about for the Apple Music auth stuff we're doing right now? Like when it goes to the deep link and all that stuff? Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. Probably does. Yeah, Panzer, it's cool to have some extra time. I do this before I start work. So it's been fun. I think this is the way to do it, honestly. You should always be working on side projects if you're able to. If your life allows it. It's always fun. After I finish working, I'm done with programming. Yeah, so that's the reason why I do it in the morning, because I'm the same way. Like, I could not do this after work, for sure. Yeah, that's not this one, but the next one that we're gonna go to. Yeah. So your boy Alec. Again, we're just creating this account here through Firebase and Grüvee. Oh crap, I forgot to debug JS remotely. So that should have created our new user here. Yep, your boy Alec right there. Again, social platforms. We have nothing in our API section. Authentication is there as well. So now we're gonna sign in with Apple Music and see what happens. Yeah, if you're I'm a morning person, Panther, so it's easy for me to like do this in the morning than in the evening. Yeah, Draco, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard. So Alec is doing this to become less productive at work. Yikes. Cool. So you'll see here, at this point, it's like, hey, by the way, do you want to go ahead and connect your Apple Music account, blah, blah? Sure, let's go. So we're going to go over here, come here, sign in with Apple Music. So this is the prompt I was talking about, existential. There's actually another prompt here that asks you to authenticate with the app, but I'm assuming that it just doesn't do it kind of based on what you're saying. So we press open. Okay, it worked that time, which is really weird. Maybe? Starting Apple auth deep link, but none of my things. I added some log statements. Oh, I added them. Yeah, no, I added them to the wrong spot. They're not going to get called again. But this actually did work this time. So if we go here, yeah, you'll see in our social platforms, we actually have our token. So we have when it was created and then our tokens right here. So we should be good. Yeah, work on the Xbox team. That's right. Apple's remembering it. Same app, same ID. Yeah, cool. No, good point, Stencil. I actually didn't even think about that. Thanks for pointing that out. Story of my life. Yep. No, it works. Now it works. I don't know what happened before. That was kind of weird. I wonder if it was. I'm not really sure. Not really sure. I wonder if I had to change this to that maybe? I don't know. Expires in -1. Yeah, so I actually couldn't find any documentation on when the Apple Music token expires. And there's no refresh token. So I was just kind of like, well, -1 it is then. Hackers. Hacky. I'm going to refresh this real quick. Keeps us logged in. Hydrate our playlists. Let's go ahead and take a look at our state and our user data. Oh, no, we want to do our... Actually, yeah. No, user data. Social platforms. It's premium. API token. Yeah, there it is. We got all our stuff. Heck yeah, dude. Looking good. What's the extent that gives you real-time errors while writing code? Yeah, that thing is called Error Lens. Yep. This guy right here. Someone recently gave it to me. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Rushki. Cool. So that, yep, that's about it right there. Nice. So the one thing I did want to change is our messaging we have down here. I think I want to do sign in with Apple Music, and then let Grüvee manage your playlists by let Grüvee manage your playlists by connecting to your Apple Music account. Does that make sense? Let Grüvee manage your playlist by connecting to your Apple Music account. I think it does. I think that sounds pretty okay. And so if I refresh this, it shouldn't work. So we need to check that now. New list. Oh, crap. I need to dismiss. Yes. Oh, thanks, guys. Yeah. Oh, good call. I do like your idea, though, Pawn Marcher. So let Grüvee manage your playlist by linking your Apple Music account. It works, yeah? Cool. What's up, Distraction? Nice to see you. Manage your playlist by linking. That sounds kind of weird, though. Let Grüvee manage your playlists by linking, or maybe not. I think that's okay. So this is actually a really, really pinnacle point, right? Because we want people to allow us to create playlists on their behalf. Because that's the whole benefit of using Grüvee, right? Is being able to do all of your playlist collaboration within the platform. And then outside of the platform, you'll still have all your playlists that you can listen to straight through, right? So yeah, we want to make sure people are like, oh, this actually sounds like a cool idea. To Grüvee at the end, and then I think it sounds weird to say let Grüvee manage your playlist by linking your Apple Music account to Grüvee. I think let Grüvee manage your playlist by linking your Apple Music account. Yeah, I think so too, Panzer Boy. I think this is pretty good. And then we can do another like pass through this, but yeah, I think you all are right. I think it makes sense. Okay, anyways, so we did that. And then the add playlist bottom sheet we need to change as well. So oh, I see. So what I did is I checked for the platform name. If the platform name is Apple, then we go through the presentation. If this is that, else we also need to actually just dismiss this thing. Yep. Gotta do this here. So if it is false, then we need to dismiss. Else we're not gonna dismiss. Cool. Grab your playlist by the balls by linking your Apple. Hold on. Let's see if this works. Grab your playlist by the balls by linking your Apple Music account to Grüvee. Thoughts? Maybe we can have that voiceover play when the alert pops up as well. Thanks, Poopa. Welcome in, by the way. I turned into a call to action. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, right? That's what I definitely want. I want someone to do it. How do you do that? how do we do that? How do you call to action this thing? Let's make sure this thing works now. Stonks. Easy. Easy, dude. Yeah, buddy. All right. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's commit this stuff. So folks, we are now, again, we have a authenticated Apple ID that's connected to Firebase. We have created a playlist that now we have a person that's authenticated with their Apple Music account, and now we can finally write stuff on their behalf. So we get it done. Grab your playlist by the stonks. The Winamp slogan? What? What is this thing? What? Wait, what? It really whips the llama's ass. What is this thing? Okay. Pretty unforgettable, huh? That's pretty sick. See, that's what you need. We need something like that. We need something like that. You should hear it? Wait, there's audio to this thing? Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Let me get this thing set up. Let me get this thing set up real quick. And we can all listen together. Are you ready? Let me know. Let me know if this thing works. Hold on. Hold on now. Oh, I don't. It's not on here. Oh no. Can you guys hear this? Can you hear that at all? I know, it might be really loud. Oh man. I'm gonna have to fix it later. I'm not sure. Nope. Yeah. I had it set up before. It's not working right now. I have to stream the Mac audio from my Mac into OBS. But for some reason it's not popping up in here. First MP3 player I remember using. It was all about Winamp. All right. That plays the sound. Oh god. Oh man, it's too late now. I already forgot the flutter command. Rip. We do have something that does something similar to that. Actually, I guess let me set it up. It is pretty cool. It would be actually pretty easy to set up. All right. Rushki, if you're there, is Rushki here? Probably not. Type in command or type in exclamation point flutter in chat, Panzer Boy. Let's see what we currently got. Oh, hello, Rushki. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, nice. No, the bot's broken. I guess the bot's broken. Oh, interesting. Oh, I think the bot might have been kicked from my channel. Oh, damn. Yeah, I have it on, but it's not working. I have been summoned. Well, a total fail, but we have a bunch of voice clips. We have a bunch of voice clips of people in the community saying, "Have you tried Flutter?" And it plays every time you write the command. But the bot that I have running, I have the server running, but it looks like, yeah, it looks like, I don't know, it's not there. You need the WinApp one? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, we could post that. We could set that up. Anyways, back to this A. Back to this A. Okay, we're going to commit. That's what we're going to do. We're going to commit. Actually, we don't need... I guess we can commit sketch. That's fine. What did we change in app? We did... Okay, we added this thing. Oh yeah, we added current user that we're passing through now, and then passing that there, and then we're adding our logic here. If current user and current user provider data.length, then we could do this thing. Handle app deep link, Apple deep linking over there. Nice. Okay, looks good. Isn't it easier to see the diffs in VS Code? Yeah, so I'm using VS Code right now. So what I like to do is I do a git status, and then I actually open each file. And then you can easily see your changes because of the markers here, right? So we added this thing here. We deleted something from here as well. And then we added the handle Apple deep link. Yep, did that. Oh, and the extension. Nah, I'm not a fan of the extension. Like, I mean, it depends what you're working on. When I do merges, I use that a lot for merge conflicts. It's really helpful. Yeah. Every time someone does WinApp, Alec needs to say WinApp, WinApp, WinApp. Oh God. Oh God. And a voiceover guy voice. I gotta listen to it first. I wasn't able to hear it. My God. Is this one of the memes that will stick? Is this one? Cool. We added this use debounce hook as well here. That looks good. And then, yeah, we updated our merge button styles to pass in a couple more props. And then same with our disabled stuff. And then same with our merge button style here. Looks good. Next, we have add playlist bottom sheet here. Set selected user. What is this? Oh, yep. We had to pass this through to get to our dismiss bottom sheet. And then we have opening Apple Music auth endpoint. And then, oh, and then dismiss it. Okay. Yep, that makes sense. Then we create our alert. So sign in with Apple, like Grüvee Manager plays by linking your Apple Music account. We changed this on press thing a little bit. Same with dismiss. And not now. Okay. And then set selected user. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Then we check to see if we've already presented the prompt. If we have, then we do this. Else we dismiss the bottom sheet entirely. And then no matter what, we're going to always add the playlist and go from there. Nice. Okay. And then navigation constants. We change this to add username or choose username. And then navigators, we added, our options to show some of this stuff. I don't know why my translucent header stuff doesn't work. I've been wanting to look into that. I don't understand what the deal is. And then we delete some stuff from there. Cool. Clay Bezrenki, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Then user actions, deleted some stuff here. What do we delete? Oh, right. We moved this from user actions. Yep. We moved this from user actions to like Apple actions or something like that. And then finally, user selector, we added the user ID selector. Oh, are we even using this anymore? I don't think so. I don't think we have any references of this thing. Yeah, so we can actually delete this. We were going to use it, but found another way to do it. How's it going, Clay? Welcome. Oh, yeah, let's revert that. Yeah, the default thing. Cool. And then we have our social platform actions list here. So we actually just created this to add our update social platform and then create social platform document. These are all Firebase functions or Firebase actions. Cool. Let's do it. Minor tweaks and adding proper Apple Music off flow. There we go. Nice. Okay. So then we did that. So do some cleanup. And then now the next part is actually creating a playlist. Yeah, creating a playlist for the Apple Music user. Yes, we totally need to do that now. So I think what we need to do is on the add playlist bottom sheet, what we're currently calling is this thing called add playlist. Add playlist is a Redux. Yeah, is a Redux action, right? So we go to this thing and this is a thunk, right? So it does a bunch of different calls in one. And the first thing we're doing is we get our user data and then our playlist data, or all of our playlists and then our user data. So we write newly created playlist to Firestore and then add to state. Yep. So we write this to Firestore, add to the playlist, and then set DB reference and write path to user doc. User playlist stock updates. Oh, right. So for all the members that are added to the playlist, we go to their documents and we actually add, yeah, we actually add this playlist, right? Because if they are invited. And so we should actually write a to-do here. Eventually, we will need some sort of approval view, right? So essentially, like, we don't want to just automatically assume everyone wants to be a part of a playlist, so you can accept or decline that, right? Play stock updates. Yep. So after we do this, this essentially gets all of our promises to do our update, and then after all of them have resolved, then we can move on to this thing here. I don't think we need that anymore. Okay, and then we add playlist to user, and then get members from playlist and put in state. Okay, and so this is what we're looking at here. So we call endpoint to create a playlist on the social platform. So that social platform meaning Apple Music, Google, or YouTube Music, or Spotify. And so currently this is only set up with Spotify. And yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. I think I did this a fairly good job on making this thing pretty reusable. Grüvee mobile. So we call this endpoint. We pass in the social platform and the playlist name. So this is where we go over to Golang, and we take a look at our function that handles this. Great social platform. Yeah, so we have create social playlist request. And this, what does this thing look like? This is Firesource social platform. So the social platform looks like this. Which is good because all of our social platforms have the same flow, right? And then playlist name, it's brought in, and then create social playlist response. Response, that's okay. Spotify playlist request. Oh, I see. So this is a payload needed to create the Spotify playlist. So the first thing we need to do is check to see if it's a Spotify one or if it's a the platform Spotify or Apple. And I think what we're going to end up doing, if API needs refresh. So for Spotify, this is okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean this up a little bit. So I guess we could just start from here, right? So initialize paths, that's good. And then create social playlist request, which is what receive. So we decode the request here. And then as soon as we get through that, figure out what service we're going to create a playlist in. Yep. Okay, cool. So we have if social playlist platform equals this, then we say the platform endpoint is this, right? Else if social platform name equals Apple, step number one, then we'll do a platform endpoint goes here. Oops. We should probably just add logs here too. Oh man, what was the logging stuff here? Oh, log.printf. Yeah, I feel like I haven't written Golang in a while. Creating playlist for Apple Music. Oh, you know what? Oh man. No, I think this is okay. So we do have a little bit of a problem here is if you first go through this sign in, if you first go through the auth process with Apple Music, technically the playlist has already been created in the background. And if you decide you want to do that and you authenticate properly, then we still want to dispatch this add social, this create social playlist. So here, what really should be happening is present Apple auth prompt. Present Apple auth prompt. Where are you? Yeah. So here, and then on Apple auth, Smith's bottom sheet, and pretty much after when we get the yeah, we're gonna have to go back to app.js here because when we get the deep link back, this is spelled wrong, probably an issue. When we get the deep link back, we know that this is coming from Apple auth or like Apple Music auth, right? We are here. We know we are coming from Apple. This might warrant a name change. Instead of Apple auth, we do like Apple Music auth or something. But get code and write to user document. Yeah, so after we do that, we actually handle the deep link. The deep link here comes in and this, we update our social platform. We have our API token key here. And so this is the handle Apple deep link. So we can do that, and then we should, since we are currently only calling this on creating a playlist, we should call our Firebase function to actually create this playlist via Apple or on the user's Apple Music account as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do that API to call. So we actually need to update this for sure to handle that. But that should happen after we actually set this thing up to do what we want it to do. But I want to make sure I wrote that down. Okay, so the question is now, how do we actually write a playlist? Create playlist. I gotta run. I'll leave you with this. Yes, link Grüvee to my Apple Music account. Let's get Grüvee. Okay, thanks, Pon. Oh, so maybe present it as like a question or something? Could be a good idea. Yeah, it could be a good idea. I think we're gonna come back to that one for sure, and see what's going on there. When are you stopping the stream? Probably in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. Cool. So this is our endpoint to actually call to create an Apple Music API. So we're gonna actually just do this. So social requests, and it's api.music.apple.com v1 me library playlists. What does the request? So the request has this thing: attributes, name, description. But there should also be a header or something. We have to. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, Panzer. Yep. I usually go for about 2.5-ish, 3 hours, depending on the day. Yeah, I thought there was, I mean, we had to add something here. I think the Apple Music API will show us all that. But anyways, so we get here. And then at this point, we don't need to check to see if, we should only check this if we are, if we're a Spotify user. So let's comment that though. This is sort of weird, but I haven't been able to find any resources on an Apple Music token expiring. So therefore, this check should only be done on Spotify at the moment. Yeah. So it's kind of weird, right? I don't really know why. Oh, I guess I can also just kind of throw this in here, right? Since that's the next step. Hey, Blamey. Is Go difficult to learn? Why did you choose over Node or another backend language? Yeah. No, Go isn't... I don't think Go is difficult to learn at all, actually. I think it's actually pretty straightforward. And the reason why I didn't check it Actually, no, we should keep this out here. The reason why I didn't use something like Node or something like that is because one, I wanted to learn Golang, and we're actually using Firebase functions. So I also noticed that not too many people use Firebase functions that often with Go. So it's actually really interesting. Yeah, the speed is also really amazing from what I've heard. And it's been really fun to work with. I really like it. I would definitely recommend it if you haven't tried it out. What's up, Ghoul? Sorry, I don't know what you're saying. This is an English stream, my friend. Okay, so we do need a check for this thing, but we need to set this thing out here. Blame me God, thanks for the follow. Welcome. He means it's super confusing art. No. That's not it at all. All right, so since we're doing this check inside of here, I guess we can still do it there. I wonder if we can actually just end up doing a var social refresh token. So this is a pointer to refresh tokens response. Actually throw this here. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Hey Mario, what's up? Thanks for the follow. How we doing? Welcome in. Okay. I think it's refresh token response. What was this thing? I don't even remember. Refresh tokens response. Yes. Oh, right. It's part of social. That's why. So I couldn't find it. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to want to do this here. And then we're going to do that like that. So it's a pointer to social refresh token response. And then I think what we also can do here is we can also just do this, and this can just be an error or an error interface. And pretty much now we can actually just take this thing and do this. Because the thing is, we want to make sure we have social refresh tokens if we need them, right? And so I think we can just throw this in here. Oh, whoa. Let's actually just start with this line, I guess. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that, if I'm not mistaken, Golang is actually based off of, it's like a C-based language. So yeah, you do have pointers and things like that for sure. All right, so what we're gonna do here is essentially we say, hey, if we're in Spotify, we're gonna first set our platform endpoint, and then we're going to actually call refresh tokens to see if we need it. And if for some reason this refresh token ends up being, it errors out, then we actually will print here, and then we'll do that thing, and we should be good to go. And yeah, so that's why you have to do those up here. And then I'm gonna copy this comment, remove that. We're gonna throw that right here. So this is sort of weird, but I haven't been able to find any resources on Apple Music tokens expiring. Therefore, this check should only be done on Spotify at the moment. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Basio1112, thanks for the follow. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, then we set up our response. And then here we're checking if social refresh token does not equal nil, meaning that we have a new token. Then this is actually going to be a token for specified platform. We actually go through this whole other flow to create a we set our new API token for that thing. Something like that. And so if that's the case, then we don't have to worry about it. This is again, what's up, Sivim? Random question. What's your favorite film? I would have to it's a tie between Avatar and 1917, the one that just came out this past year, earlier this year. Yeah, those two movies. I watched 1917 twice, and I watched Avatar, I think 4 times the week that it came out. And yeah, 1917 I watched twice the week that it came out. So yeah, I love Avatar. It's such a great movie. So again, this will currently only be used by Spotify. So this actually simplifies a lot of stuff for us as well. Yeah, sure. Inception or Dunkirk? Oh, I gotta see Dunkirk still. Inception is really, really good. What about you, Sivim? What's yours? What's your favorite film? Matrix and Pulp Fiction? Those are good ones too. Matrix 4 next year, right? Or in 2 years? Chappie. Oh, okay. I actually haven't seen it, but I have heard some good things about it. It's pretty awesome. Nice. Oh, only the first one. I see. The rest suck. Oh. Hey, makes sense. Shutter Island. Ooh. Shutter Island. I haven't seen that movie in a long time. Interesting thoughts here. Yeah, films are good, man. Cool. So after the social refresh, we go to our create playlist section here. And so I guess now, depending on what platform we're using, right? And we should pass in our platform. And so we can do our checks here. Do you know Memento? I don't actually. No. I was sitting next to someone on the bus and he was watching me program, and I was working with colors, and he said it, he said, was it supposed to do that? And I said, yeah. And he said, wow, that piece of shit. What? Wait, what? That's pretty messed up, Jack. Latest Star Wars? Kappa? Rushki, all of your comments are Kappas now. Hey, Christian, what's up? Yeah, it has been a while. How you doing? Yo, I agreed, Dynamite. When is that coming out? I mean, it's not in the theaters, right? So, or is it going to be in the theaters? I don't even know anymore. Okay. Yeah, I'll check it out, Panzer. Oh, nice. I don't know. That sounds really weird. Just to look over your shoulder at what you're doing, and then and tell you, by the way, it looks like shit. All right. Yo, your thing looks like crap, man. Wow. All right, so we need to pass in this again. I don't know why it's making me laugh so much. It's so funny. We need to pass in our platform. Maybe we should we should probably just define this thing off the bat, right? Sounds like it looks like we're using it enough. Oh, wait. a second. We have to do it after this. There we go. Platform declare not used. That's fine. We're going to go in here and we do that. And then we come over here and then we're going to pass in platform. And then here, create playlist. We're going to pass in platform, which is going to be of type string. Easy peasy. Oh, I already passed in the social platform. So we're actually good here. We didn't need to do that at all. Okay. We're not going to do that then. Yipsy. Yeah, let's just remove that. Oh, God, nope. Literally deleted the whole code. No big deal. Yeah, what are these colors? That guy had a very... He really wanted to comment on your colors. All right. So pretty much what we're going to do here is we need to create different platforms and then Spotify playlist request. So that is the playlist request. I wonder if we should break these up into two different types of like generators, right? So you need to essentially check for platform, generate request body, generate request headers. Yeah, I think we should actually break these out into separate functions because at least for Apple Music, right? I mean, this is going to be completely different. I think we have to pass in some header stuff here. Creating tokens, handling stress, looks common objects. Oh, hold up. I actually have a request that created a playlist. I'm going to pull it up in Insomnia real quick. Because I already did look this up. At some point, I believe. Oh, yep. Okay, so the two things we need, or the three things we need are an authorization header, a music user token header, and then the content type. And then... Oh, I see. Nice. Okay. Let me screenshot this real quick. And so if we need the authorization is a... Yes, this is what it's going to look like. Yeah. Sorry for the pixelation. But essentially we need an authorization header, and this thing's a bearer token. So it's our bearer and developer token. And then the music user token is the API token that we got from the user. And then the content type is just what we're going to be sending over, right? So yeah, we should definitely break these out a little bit. Put it here. Refresh token takes all social platforms and checks to see if their tokens need to be refreshed. Okay, and so create playlist. Then we're also going to do func create Apple Music request. I don't know what we're going to put in here yet. And then func create Spotify playlist request. This is going to be create Apple Music playlist request. And then create Spotify playlist request as well. So this thing will generate the proper request needed for adding a playlist to Spotify account. Okay, and then same deal over here, but with create Apple Music playlist request. Awesome. There we go. Okay, folks, I actually have to start heading out, so I think we're gonna leave it at this. But this is a good spot for us. Let's write down what we're doing here, then. So, what we did today. What do we do today? Fixed. When's the next stream? Next stream will be on Monday, Panzer Boy. Yeah, it will be Monday. Feel free to type in ! schedule. And you can also join our Discord, where I post going live events, or sometimes I go live without it being on the schedule. But yeah, most of the time, Discord will be the best place to keep up to date with that, or Twitter. The Golang template for our fixable Golang template for our Apple Music auth. And it was a first try. BT dubs, first try. Cleaned up a lot of the flow for... Dude, thanks for today's session. Hey, no problem. Thanks for being here. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I always love doing Golang stuff because there's always, I don't know, there's cool stuff that we're going to get in. And yeah, we're getting through the process, and it's coming along. We're about to have Apple authentication set up. Cleaned up a lot of the flow for Apple Music auth in general. Not going to Dr. Dynamite. It was. Man, I'm going to have to go through the VOD, and I'm going to have to get it just so I can show you. Because I'm not going to take this. I ain't going to take this. 799 attempts? Wow. Where are you getting your information from, Dynamite? And it's looking clean. What else do we do? Started working on adding Golang, adding Apple Music playlist creation in Golang function. What we will do next time. It was first try. God damn it. Thank you, Panzer. A person who said hello to me. Oh, I see. All right. Yeah, we'll have to take a look. I'll have to go ahead and find it. So I'm not going to take this. It was a first try. It was a great first try as well. The nanas were against me. So this is finish up Golang. Work for setting up Apple Music API call to create playlist. And then after that, so pretty much once we finish that up, yeah, once we finish that up, we need to look at the bugs list in Bear app. Yeah. Because there's in the Bear notes, there's some stuff in regards to our login flow and things like that. So we definitely need to check that out. Fine. You'll get your VOD. All right. Thou dost protest too much. Yes, exactly. Folks, thanks for hanging out today. I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you're new to the channel, drop a follow. We'd love to have you back. I'm here Monday through Friday. Would love to have you here, as well as check out our Discord. say what's up, hang out with us, get some programming help, showcase some projects, whatever you're in the mood for. Yeah, Christian, see you later. Panzer, see ya. Hotfixer, see you later. Rushki. Dynamite. Dave. Yeah, you have a great weekend as well. Folks, before we end, we're going to go throw a nice little raid. So make sure you grab that raid message. We're going to raid our friend Ryan Tupo today. Yeah, Dynamite, you have a good one too. Hey, thanks, Rushki. You too, friend. Yes, let's go raid our friend Ryan Tupo today. Saying, I think I can code Python. That's the title of the stream. Ooh-wee. All right, friends. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, it's I have to resub Nightbot. I just didn't want to pay for Nightbot to be subbed. But if you copy it, you should be good to go. Anyways, enjoy the stream, folks. Yeah, I didn't want to pay to do it, man. I don't want to pay to do it. I'll check you all next time. Have a great rest of your day. Saluti salutis. Enjoy the raid.